बहुत एक्साइटेड रहती हूँ वो ब्यूटी अवार्ड्स के लिए, बिकॉज आई थिंक एवरीवन's ब्यूटीफुल, स्पेशली ब्यूटीफुल इनसाइड, एंड आई थिंक दीज प्रोडक्ट्स, ऑल द ब्यूटी प्रोडक्ट्स हेल्प एवरीवन ब्रिंग आउट द इनर ब्यूटी. तो मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ और मैं एक अवार्ड देने वाली हूँ फ्रेग्रेंस के लिए, सो आई एम लुकिंग फॉरवर्ड टू दैट. I'm a believer in inner beauty. I think if you're beautiful inside, you'll always look beautiful. So I think everyone's beautiful. I'm wearing Namrata Joshipura. I'm styled by Sanjana Batra, and she styles me for my show, the Tara Sharma show as well.
And what are your favorite current trends?
Trends, I think the hair wrap in a top knot and tongs, and I think as long as you're comfortable, you look good. So, yeah, I think it's very brave of Tushar to come and talk about it, because I know he always had a desire to be a dad, but he actually walked the talk and he's become a dad thanks to surrogacy. So I think it's great.
Before you leave, thank you so much.
Thank you.
For the electronic cameras over here.
Thank you. Good evening. Thank you. Oh my God.
So lovely. I'll see you in a bit.
Yeah. Okay, say. I'm wearing Gauri Nainika, happy color. I never know what is in, what is out. I think trends come and go. I have absolutely no idea what's happening. I just wear what I like, and I love my stylist. So. Beauty के लिए standards नहीं होने चाहिए. To me, beauty is about being happy. I think happy girls are the prettiest girls, and really it's about that.
Are you afraid of aging?
I haven't thought of it yet. When I get to it, I'll discuss it with you. I think mostly fashion tips again are about actually doing what makes you happy. I think if you wear stuff that makes you happy and makes you feel confident and beautiful, you will look beautiful. So it's about what suits you and what really works for you.
हम लोग आपका बिहारी गर्ल के रूप में देखेंगे.
Soon.
Excited for it?
Yeah, I've actually not been here. I've come down for a day just to sort of be with them and to do this. But I'm shooting with Manisa just now, so I'm not really here to do that. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Have a pleasant evening. But before you go, please hold.
Good evening.
Yeah, all of us want to know about your outfit tonight.
Oh, so I'm wearing Ralph Lauren and my stylist Bornali basically picked this out for me. I'm wearing Minerali jewelry with it and just keeping it simple with a fun ponytail and like light lipstick.
Chubby tonight.
Yes,
Very excited.
I guess so.
What are the expectations from the awards?
I actually am dying to see the makeup category. I really want to see who wins because I'm really into makeup and beauty, so it's going to be exciting.
Any favorite trend?
Well, I'm loving like the dark lipstick trend that's going on, as well as like what else is going on? Wait, I forgot. I've not been here for a while. Mainly just like the dark lipstick. So let's see how it goes. Yeah. So I'm doing Kung Fu Yoga with Jackie Chan, and I'm actually going back now in August to dub for it, and it's out January 2017. So excited. Yes, he did. Well, he just surprised me with the cake. I was traveling on my birthday actually. I was in a plane and then I landed and I went straight to his office for dinner, and then like the crew was there and the cast was there, so it was really sweet. Thank you.
Well, I'm very happy to be here today at the Vogue Beauty Awards. और बस मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी, it's such an honor that I'm getting an award tonight. I think timeless beauty is quite special. But for me, I think beauty is all about your inner beauty that reflects on your face. So I'm feeling quite honored and I'm really happy to be here tonight. Well, I think it's Vogue, so obviously everyone's going to be really stylish and very glamorous. And I think generally I like to wear very sophisticated and sharp cuts. So that's me. मैं बस यही कहूँगी कि always be positive, क्योंकि आपका inner positivity आपके चेहरे के ऊपर आएगा. So it's not about everything else, but it's about your inner self. Thank you. हाँ. Sorry? Well, it's a Monisha dressing gown, and I think, like I said, I like to wear very sophisticated and sharp cuts. So I think that's what I'm doing tonight as well. Oh, thank you.
Like everyone is treating you a chance. What do you have to say? Even you're considering your sister also.
Well, no, I think my sister is my little baby. But thank you. I think it's been a great relationship with my co-stars in the industry and everyone out here. So I'm happy that people enjoy spending time with me or enjoy seeing my work. Thank you. Thank you.
ब्यूटी में मेरा दिमाग में क्या है ब्यूटी के बारे में क्या का मतलब मैं बहुत ही मिस इंडिया टाइप का जवाब देने वाली हूँ आई थिंक ब्यूटी इज़ अ वेरी इट रियली इज़ कम्स फ्रॉम द इनसाइड और ये मेरा मानना है कि इफ़ यू फील गुड देन यू लुक गुड एंड दैट्स व्हाट ब्यूटी इज़ टू वर्ड्स योगा एंड पानी योगा पानी योगा just lots of water and lots of yoga.
Tell us about the look you're sporting.
So it's an Amanda Wakeley dress. I love champagne. It's one of my most favorite shades for makeup and for clothes. And I wanted to go with a very minimalistic sort of vibe. And Anita and the girls put together tribal jewelry, which I really like. So yeah, just going for a strong, independent woman kind of vibe.
And any particular trends you're loving at all?
Yes, stripes are back. But I mean like 80s when I was in college, stripes and ribbed material is back and I love ribbed material.
You will be performing?
I have been performing.
Performing tonight?
Oh, no, I'm hosting.
Okay, good.
Sir,
But can you like sing a line for us? Make wonderful.
no. I'm gonna say no. Okay, thanks guys.
Just pose for the what are you wearing tonight and your style tonight?
I'm wearing Sonakshi Raj and she styled me.
What expectation? क्या उम्मीदें हैं आज आपकी? और are you presenting an award?
No, I'm not presenting an award. I'm just here to attend and I love Vogue. It's just so interesting and it's really nice the way that, you know, products and things get an award. It's really great. Very excited.
Tell us about the current trends that you're loving.
In my
Current trends that you're loving.
I always like a nude look with dark lips and that's my thing.
Jasmine, almost all the people are under your wings now for training everyone. Tell us something about that and who is your favorite?
The only thing I have to say right now is watch Kala Chashma. And you'll know what's happening in my life because Katrina looks fabulous and that was a lot of hard work and you can see it on screen.
And the apps are sponsored by you?
I actually didn't sit and make her abs. I just helped her with her workouts to get them with the right food. I didn't sculpt them at all. That was all her doing and God's.
And Deepika also was like under you?
Yeah, Deepika was working with me before she went for the Triple X and Alia's working with me right now as well.
So what's the secret? Like one thing which...
The secret is just me.
Okay.
I'm the secret. Yeah, I'm the secret ingredient for all of them.
Any advice from the younger lot who is coming?
Well, I have to tell the younger lot that all these people have achieved what they have with only dedication and commitment. And as busy as their lives are, they're really dedicated and committed to themselves, to their workouts, to their body, to their food, to their health. So if you want to look like any of them, all you need is dedication and commitment.
And Yasmin.
यास्मिन आपने कहा कटरीना के बारे में बताया बार-बार लोगों को उस गाने के लिए पर्टिकुलर ट्रेन किया है थोड़ा सा ट्रेनिंग
एक्चुअली कटरीना हमेशा ट्रेन करती है और जब कोई गाना होता है तो वो थोड़ी सी ज़्यादा मेहनत करती है। वो गाने के दौरान उनको बहुत सारी प्रैक्टिस और रिहर्सल करनी पड़ती है और मोस्ट पीपल रिहर्सल के समय वर्कआउट नहीं करेंगे क्योंकि थक जाते हैं। क्योंकि रिहर्सल अगर आप काला चश्मा देखोगे तो देखोगे कि कटरीना ने कितनी हार्ड और सिद्धार्थ दोनों ने बहुत ही हार्ड डांस किया है, मगर उसके बावजूद वो आती थी जिम में वर्कआउट करने, कभी 10 बजे रात को, कभी 11 बजे, जब भी रिहर्सल या शूट ख़त्म होता था वो वर्कआउट करती थी। तो आई थिंक दैट्स वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, द डेडिकेशन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि आपको फिट रहना है। Then it's very easy to tweak it when there is a show or a song that comes up, but the basic ingredient is fitness.
आप सेट पे जाना पड़ा आपको?
मैं कभी सेट पे नहीं जाती हूँ, ना किसी के घर जाती हूँ वर्कआउट करने, सब मेरे पास आते हैं।
Yasmin, there are many men also like to join at for your.
It depends whether men want to join because Katrina Kaif, Deepika and Alia come, or whether they really want to join for their body. And I screen that before I allow men into my gym.
No chances for the.
You can come anytime.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. You too. Thanks.
बधाइयाँ, शुभकामनाएं आपको इतनी अच्छी फिल्म और ब्लॉकबस्टर सब तरफ आपकी चर्चा।
Thank you very much.
कैसा प्रतीत हो रहा है लाइक
I think it's breaking all records. It's really amazing. I had a great time working with him. I think it was one of the best experiences I've had. So, and I did have a feeling that the film will do well because of the subject and everything. So, very happy, very ecstatic.
गाने का कुछ खास वजह है कि कबाली के दौरान आप कबाली को प्रमोट करके नजर नहीं आए, मीडिया में इंटरव्यू नहीं दिया आपने।
I know, I'm really sorry. Actually, I've been shooting for a film called Ghool and कबाली का रिलीज एकदम अचानक तय हुआ और मेरा शूटिंग इतना ये है क्या टाइट है that every day I'm trying to make phone calls and shoot, but ये it's so unfortunate.
अच्छा, ड्यूटी के आपके लिए क्या मायने हैं?
Beauty के क्या मायने? Beauty is in the eyes of the beholder. I believe that. I genuinely believe that. Oh, thank you.
और फैंस को क्या टिप्स देना चाहिए सेकंड से अगर पूछा जाए तो?
I think just be healthy, be happy. That's the most important. And I think you start finding somebody beautiful the moment you start becoming more familiar with the person, or you start seeing deeper than and I also feel the imperfections are something to be cherished.
अच्छा, कबाली तो बहुत बड़ी हिट हो गई है, साउथ में कोई और फिल्म आप करने वाली कुछ बताएंगे?
अभी तो मैंने कुछ तय नहीं किया है। अभी तो मैं अभी जो शूट करी उसके बाद थोड़ा ब्रेक लूँगी और फिर तय करूँगी क्या करना है आगे। Sorry? Yeah, I should tell you, right? I'm wearing, Anita styled me and I'm wearing Gauri Nanika.
And any particular trends that you're loving at the moment?
I'm shooting non-stop, so there's nothing that I can think of apart from shooting. Thank you.
just in what part of tonight, like you'll be presenting an award, getting an award.
God knows. Am I supposed to tell? I don't know.
No, you have to
No, you have to wait and see. Thank you.
Pose for the camera either.
Well, I love coming to the Vogue Beauty Awards every time. Tonight I was going for more of a clean beauty look, just pulled back hair, natural makeup. I'm wearing a dress by Marchesa, Tarun Tahaliani earrings and jewelry on my head.
what capacity a part of tonight, like you are presenting an award, getting an award.
Let's see, tonight I have to probably make an early brain check, kind of. No dance. But yeah, probably have to leave early because I have a shoot tomorrow. So just here to say hi to everyone.
And any particular trends that you're loving at the moment?
I love bold eyebrows. Tonight I'm very natural, but usually I love to have bold eyebrows. I think that's a really cool trend right now. I'm doing 2 projects right now, but tonight I'm here for Vogue.
आज की शाम इसलिए भी शुरू होने वाली है, मुझे जानता नहीं अंदर क्या होता है, ये मेरा पहला साल है, बट Vogue इज़ एस्टैब्लिशमेंट, सच ए रेप्यूटेबल म्यूजियम, और अनाइटा इज़ वेरी डियर टू मी, तो मैं उसके बुलावे पे यहाँ हूँ, एंड होप विल बी अ फन नाइट।
क्या स्टैंडर्ड है आपकी ब्यूटी के लिए? क्या
बहुत स्टैंडर्ड्स है, यू नो, मेकअप आर्टिस्ट, हेयर स्टाइलिस्ट, कपड़ों के स्टाइलिस्ट, डर्माटोलॉजिस्ट, प्रोटीन ट्रीटमेंट, ट्रेनर्स, तो जो आपको दिखता है ये सब की कुल मेहनत जब रंग आती है तब हम दिखते हैं, तो इसके पीछे बहुत लोग हैं।
फैंस को क्या आप टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
किसको?
फैंस को अगर फिट रहना है तो क्या टिप्स देना चाहेंगे?
फिट रहना है तो मतलब आई थिंक हैप्पीनेस इज़ फिटनेस, जो आपको खुश करता है। आई थिंक ये जो एक नया दौर आया है कि सबको 6 पैक बनाने का, 8 पैक बनाने का, उससे खुशी जाहिर नहीं होती। अच्छा खाना खाओ, अच्छा 8-10 घंटे सो, और एक बी अ हैप्पी पर्सन, आई थिंक दैट्स व्हाट्स रियली इम्पोर्टेंट। सॉरी, यस, व्हाट अबाउट इट? ओह ओके, इट्स क्रिस्टियन डियोर गिवन बाय अनाइटा, या। जब काम नहीं होता तो फुटबॉल होता है, ये पूरा साल मैंने इतना काम किया नहीं है, सो ऑफकोर्स फुटबॉल भी माई फर्स्ट लव, तो अच्छा मौका मिल रहा है, और इसके नतीजे पे यू बिकम फिट ऑल्सो। हाँ, लेकिन वो टीम बहुत वीक थी, वो कोई भी 5 गोल कर देता, तू भी कर देता। फिर बाबा रामदेव भी आए थे, और उनका तो यूनिफॉर्म भी नहीं होता, स्टड्स भी नहीं होते, सो यार काफ़ी आसान गेम था। मच मेरे ज़िंदगी का भी मच अवेटेड फिल्म है, अभी कुछ करीबन 3 साल हो चुके हैं कि फिल्म बनते बहुत ही स्पेशल फिल्म है, बहुत ही अलग फिल्म है, बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट फिल्म है, लेकिन आई थिंक जो अनुराग बासु है, जो उसकी जो जान है, जो उसकी जो सोच है, नज़रिया है, जो उसका दिल है, वो हमेशा एक फ़िल्म बनाते हैं, उसके पीछे एक सोच होती है, उसके पीछे एक ऐसी इमोशन आपको महसूस होता है जहाँ आप अपनी आंखों में आंसू होंगे और आपके चेहरे पे मुस्कुराहट होगी। आई थिंक फिल्म बनने में टाइम लगता है, हम फिल्म ऐसे नहीं बनाते कि अभी एक्टर्स को 4 महीने डेट्स में उसमें ख़त्म कर लो। सो वी ट्राई टू मेक एन अमेजिंग फिल्म, एंड आई होप कि जब ऑडियंस इस फिल्म को देखें उनको पसंद आए। आई थिंक ये फिल्म अगले साल अप्रैल को रिलीज़ होगी, क्योंकि ए दिल मुश्किल अभी दिवाली में रिलीज़ हो रही है, तो जाहिर सी बात है कि एक एक्टर की 2 फिल्म इतनी जल्दी नहीं आ सकती, तो अगले साल अप्रैल है। नहीं जी, मैं अभी फ़िलहाल मेरे दादी के साथ रहा हूँ चिंबूर में, मैं अक्टूबर में शिफ्ट हूँ। आपको बुलाने का? नहीं, हाउस वार्मिंग तो मतलब अभी इतने घर हो गए मेरे पिछले साल और हाउस वार्मिंग पार्टीज़ की नौबत ही नहीं।
चलिए आप खुश रहिए, इस तरह ही
थैंक यू।
Just post for the media. आज की शाम के बारे में क्या कहना है?
क्या कहूँ मैं? It's going to be a lovely evening filled with fashion, fabulously dressed people. It's the beauty awards. It's about being beautiful.
आज आप बहुत खूबसूरत लग रही हैं ड्रेस में, क्या कहना चाहेंगी अपने स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट के बारे में?
स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट, आई थिंक आपको दिख गया है कि मेरा स्टाइल स्टेटमेंट क्या है. आई बिलीव इन बीइंग कंफर्टेबल. आई थिंक if you're a good person inside, it shows on your face. So I'd like to, in fact, tonight talk about your inner beauty, which is so much more important. And if you enjoy dressing up like I do, and that's why I like to dress up and wear fun clothes, because it's actually something I enjoy. So please do it. But if you don't have to.
Thanks for beauty tips अगर देने हो तो क्या? Thanks for beauty tips देने हो तो क्या?
Beauty tips: eat healthy, live healthy, and get lots of sleep.
तनिषा, आप अवार्ड प्रेजेंट करें?
I have no idea right now.
Tanisha, could you tell us like what are your standards for beauty?
I actually I think people are beautiful. When I get to know somebody better, I find them more beautiful, because for me it's all about who the person is. That's my standard for beauty. Face, the outside beauty is always what is reflected inside. So I think the more beautiful you are inside is what will be beautiful.
सुंदर कौन मिला आपको?
सबसे सुंदर अभी कौन है मालूम नहीं, पता चलेगा आज रात को कि सबसे सुंदर कौन है. थैंक यू.